I want to share a jewelry hack with you and show you how to make this necklace. I have a pair of endless hoops that I've broken one of the pin because I was forcing it. So I'm going to salvage it by making a necklace out of it with finished chain. Now you can use any chain, finished or not, but this is what I plan on doing so that it drops a little with a Baroque pearl like this. I start with the drop first, it's a lot easier, and I'm going to put it with a pin, so attach it to the chain, and it is far easier just to put it in the middle of the chain to find the center point. So I use a pair of round nose pliers, make a loop like this, and then I take my finished chain. You can use unfinished if you wish, and I find the center point like this, and I loop it in, putting the chain inside the loop before closing. This way it is centered, and then all I have to do is count the links a little later. Here I'm going to wrap it closed, and you can do as many wraps as you wish. Then all I have to do thereafter is trim and make sure that there are no sharp edges. Now I take a piece of wire like this and put it through the endless hoop. The thing with the endless hoop is that it's a hollow tube inside all the way around, and then they solder a pin into it for closure. So I'm going to slowly make sure that it goes through like this to the other end, and now all I have to do is to count the number of links where I want it to sit. Now I count the number of links exactly where I want it to sit, and using the short chain I go through on one side like this, pull it a little bit, and then using round nose pliers I make a loop, and then I proceed to wire wrap around the chain inside that loop. And right now the wires shift still because I haven't secured the other side, so it's a lot easier to make the wire wrap. And once I've done that, all I need to do is trim. Now, using the other end of the wire, I have threaded through the same number of links on the chain on the other side, and I proceed to do the same thing of wire wrapping the chain into the loop, and to make sure that's in the right direction. So now I adjust, and don't worry about the way the loops go, you'll adjust that a little later, and I trim. So now the loops are this way, but I want to go the other way horizontally to be less noticeable. And how I do that is I grab hold of the loop, and then I bend it. By holding everything else, I bend it, and it'll be a lot less noticeable. And here is the finished necklace. If you have found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe.